Peteng kaseng HITO bansa mikikot lingkedop ha ka arpunya terik u naiwing ar hajar pusau hasilong kenailat yodo sora bat hasor jawai manpin sengutu halor ka jingpin kiu ya ka bai Bording da ka Sorkar Meghalaya. Kani ke hukum ka ban kiai kinong thanglat bat ka Sorkar ka deban penjari ya ka section Riewspah jang ka Indian Electricity Act ar hajar lai manpin sting ya ka bai lat ya ki bathanglat hayeng. Ka Sorkar ka deban pensangi amador ya ka ni ke hukum bat ka HITO kala pendram juru ya ka jingpha siu bailat biang nado ka shitrik uyayong ar hajar pusau. Bat kidawa ba ka Sorkar ka deban sangi no ya ka ni ka jingban ben ki patba bat ban perkhat biang ya ka ni ka rai. Ka Sorkar MDA ka deban shim jingkit kli halor ka ni ka jingban kia yo patba. Bat kilo ongru lada ka duna pisa ka Sorkar ka deban pensangi lut ya ka jingthung ya ki consultant Bamdan jingmut ha secretariat.
Actually, they have increase soon the light bills now, so we protest we again, so we come and we guys understand, yes, we are against the government. So you can read, yeah, English, yeah.
So we are giving this synopsis to everyone. What happened is that we're just trying to make people understand that how the government is stealing from your light bills, from your electricity bills, from commercial and domestic. Okay. So we are trying to make the people understand how what the government is doing. So on this 24th October 2024 also, there's MSREC, Meghalaya State Electricity Regulatory Board. They increase the price for domestic and your light commercial, not heavy commercial, but for industries and all they have reduced. So we're trying to make the people understand and also seeking for your support regarding this issue because it affects everyone, from the poorest to everyone, also from shop owners, hotel owners and everyone. So we're trying to make people understand what the government is doing. So madam, so please support us also regarding this, okay, ma'am, because it's very important. Thank you so much. For you, we have increase and even for domestic.
You're opposing it?
Yes, we are opposing it for the people. It's not only affecting the council committee. This affects everyone. Even
So what you should do something regarding this?
No, you can just understand it, you can read it, and then you can check out in the news and all how we are going to move forward.
Good, move it.
Thank you so much. Ini kung kahito, Neutral Integrated Territorial Organization. Yung kasilong city mentakas ni nila wan biang mentakas ni banya sami kini kilim kedap sidi ba. Nginyo man pensuku sidi ba pa Sorkar kani dulu. Pakaluti naki Baduk bab kaay sidi Riewspah. Dikumtahi ngiru mentakas ni nakaliang jungi lawan sidi dukan sidi try dukan sidi ba baru dulu bab pensuku iki. Ba kani ka komple jo ka MSREC jo ka Meghalaya Electricity Regulatory Board kalong may kabamla Malaysia bangirong iap ya kata kalay po tarik November nginiyo kata ka juba na Sorkar bat nakaliang di jong nong penyat jong ka Bording bat electricity jong ka MECL ba ya kani ka belait ka kilale menta di belapan kiu iki Baduk iki longying longsem iki domestic iki light industries kila penkiu menrai pat iki heavy industries pat kila penkiu dikumtahi ngiru lawan mi sikmat bakani ka jingsam kedap jengi kandang ya sikmat hadu ka light tarik November jong mentau senam araja rapusa mangin pensno sipai ba pa siya Sorkar ya ka jingkwa pa ka jingdawa jengi bang mintre ya kata ka Christmas gift babi ay mo pi yani tangum tahi bless you.